Did you know that one of the most famous dishes in the Philippines has been around for hundreds of years? Today, I'm gonna show you how to make classic chicken adobo while learning the story of this iconic Filipino dish. Now, here's everything that you need. We have here 500 grams of drumsticks, soy sauce, cooking oil, vinegar, brown sugar, garlic, bay leaf, and peppercorn. That's it. Just few simple ingredients that creates amazing flavor. I always remember cooking this dish when I was younger with my mom. Before we start cooking, here's a fun fact. The word adobo comes from the Spanish word adobar, which means to marinate or to season. So the name is Spanish, but the cooking style is Filipino. Now, let's start. In a bowl, combine the chicken, soy sauce, crushed garlic, and black peppercorns. Mix everything well. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. That's it. If you like, you can marinate this one overnight for a better flavor. Now the chicken is ready, let's cook. Now heat cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Then, place your chicken. Smells good. Cook until both sides are golden brown. Okay, it's ready to flip. Pour the rest of the marinade. Then we will add the vinegar. Did you know vinegar doesn't just add flavor? It also helps to keep the food fresh longer by slowing the growth of bacteria. Now you know. Now we add some water. Some bay leaf and brown sugar. Then mix everything well. Then cover for 25 to 30 minutes. While our chicken adobo is simmering, let's talk about why this dish is so special. Many people think that chicken adobo is the national dish of the Philippines. Actually, the Philippines doesn't have an official national dish yet. Chicken adobo is known as the country's unofficial national dish, but why when you ask some Filipino about what is their national dish, they would answer it's chicken adobo. Well, I think it's because it's loved and cooked all over the Philippines. And you know what? In every place and every family, they have their own recipe. Some people like it sweeter. Some people make it extra tangy. Some people even add coconut milk for a creamier version. And even they use pork instead of chicken, or you can use both. In short, there's no single correct way to make chicken adobo. Cook it however you like. It tastes amazing. Now let's try the meat. Look at that. So tender and juicy. Now it's time to plate. Place the chicken adobo on a serving plate. And pour the rich sauce over the chicken. Serve it with hot steamed rice. If you'd like, you can garnish it with fried garlic or chopped spring onions. But we will just do the bay leaves. Here's our chicken adobo. If you'd like, you can garnish it with fried garlic or chopped spring onions. Now, how does your family cook chicken adobo? Do you add potatoes, boiled eggs, or do you use oyster sauce? Or you keep it classic? Now, tell us in the comments down below.